I'm glad you could tune in today. This is Esther from Stampin Star Creations with a thank you card. I'm using the Massive Thanks stamp set with this sentiment in Magenta Madness. So I just wanted part of the sentiment, so I'm just stamping the top half and then spinning it around to stamp the bottom half. So I've just got "this isn't just a" and then the word "card." I'm trimming the sentiments down around the edges because I want these to stand out by themselves, using a separate thank you from the set in Coastal Cabana and then cutting it out with the stitched rectangle framelit dies. Then I just wanted the word "hug" highlighted in the Coastal Cabana, so I'm just partly inking that up and then I'm just going to snip these out with my paper snips, saving that piece for later. Then bringing in Pattern Play and using this stripe, I'm going in with the Night of Navy to create a nice bold stripe across at the top of the card. And just checking that my sentiments look alright on there. While I've got the Night of Navy out, I use the Jar of Flowers jar outline. So I've got colour on colour with the Night of Navy and then punch it out with the matching jar punch. I'm going in with the lovely U stamp set and using the leaves from that set with the Coastal Cabana to incorporate more Coastal Cabana in the card. Then coming back with my Magenta Madness and stamping some flowers. These do overlap and get a bit lost, but I do something with those later. Then with that scrap of Night of Navy, I thought, oh, that'd look quite nice if it had a border around the thank you. So I glue that down and just put it to one side for now. In the meantime, I'm adding some scallop design onto the bottom and the top of the stripes with the Pattern Play stamp set. And then incorporating some more Coastal Cabana, I'm introducing the chevron design with just a strip going up the left side. Then just trimming around that border for the thank you sentiment. Then I decided to use the flowers again and stamp them on a separate piece and fussy cut these out. The thank you sentiment was hiding the flowers, so I decided to do something about that. Remember, when you're fussy cutting, just keep your scissors still, and if you move your card, this helps immensely with the cutting out, and these flowers aren't actually too bad to cut. I decided to pop these up with some dimensionals. It just makes a real difference to the card and it just helps the flowers to pop. So gluing all the sentiments down, just using some multi-purpose liquid glue. So this isn't just a thank you and then card. I'm using our new foam sheets from Stampin' Up, and that gives good coverage for the jar to stick down and gives it a 3D effect. So I put this on some Night of Navy cardstock and I think, oh, what would it be like if I used some Magenta Madness? And I decided by giving it a little border that just helped the colours to bring together and helped it to pop. And then just to finish off, I'm using the enamel dots, which have come in colours, just in a row of 3 up the side. And then for the middle of the card, there is a sentiment that matches with the outside, so it's a hug with a fold in the middle. This stamp set's got some great fun sentiments to use in it, and they have got sentiments at the front and for the inside of the card. So mounting the word hug on a scrap piece of Night of Navy that did end up in the bin, but I got it back out just to use for this purpose. So you'll be amazed, those tiny little scraps can come in handy, and just to kind of highlight that word hug. Going ahead and just sticking my insert in the middle. I've ended up using Jar of Flowers and as well as Massive Thanks and Lovely You and Magenta Madness, Coastal Cabana and Night of Navy for my colours. Thank you so much for watching. This isn't just a thank you card, it's a hug with a fold in the middle. I love it. It's really fun. I love the colour combination. I hope you enjoyed this video too. Please give me a thumbs up of appreciation if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope you have a great day. Bye.